It's not like I had like a massive conversion that day, but that kind of started everything.
I think that's really relatable to a lot of people. Like, I've heard, many stories of faith renewal, and, there are many people where it's been this incremental process. And I think most people like kind of feel badly that, well, yeah, my faith journey wasn't a lightning bolt, and yet that sort of incremental making your way back is like super common and super relatable.